Tonight we're celebrating the achievements of the Somalians who live in the UK, whether it's students, whether it's business, whether it's television.
It's the annual celebration which will bring people together who will be successful.
It's a platform where we all come together to celebrate our achievement as a Somali community and also recognize those individuals who made a great contribution.
Everybody's happy. We were actually celebrating the achievement of the Somali people. And that's why I'm here.
Please, the future is bright, but make sure you actually grasp it. And thank you very much.
This is a fantastic evening where those individuals who have done well within the community are coming forward and are being awarded for their success.
As a society, we need to recognize individuals who are making a contribution, and we need to show that people are aware of their work and people appreciate their work.
I'm proud of a lot of Somalis who have achieved beyond their expectation on a lot of fields. To actually see the kids coming up achieving, GCSEs, A+, whether it's degrees, it's a great achievement for us.
I won this award because I worked hard for it, and I wanted to inspire my fellow Somalis in the community that they can work hard and they can achieve it as well if they try. I believe it's important to celebrate because it motivates the people out there and to celebrate their achievements.
Just recognizing all the positivity that the Somali community have done, and just basically getting rid of all the negativity in the media right now and just highlighting all the good things that we do.
As a parent, you always want your kids to be following a good education, good path, deter from going or ending up actually around crowds or being radicalized. So I think it's very important that we as a parent guide our children to the right path.
Never let no one tell you what you can't do just because they can't do it for themselves. Nothing is impossible.
You can't be a member of parliament, you can't be a minister, you can't be a prime minister.
We must contribute, we must come forward, we must integrate. It's for the benefit of our community and it's for the benefit for the wider society.
It has been an opportunity where members of the community came together and celebrate the achievement of others.
aad iyo aad bay laga maarmaan u tahay in magaranaysaa bulshada inaan inteeda xun la tusin dadka inteeda fiican.
And the community is working hard to make sure that young Somali, especially men, are saved from hands of terrorism and extremism.
And they can achieve anything they want in life. They need to work hard for that. So it has been a fantastic event, and I hope we will continue many years to come, and we will continue to recognize and celebrate those individuals who achieve great stuff within the community.